Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language settings on your I-Gard Command Center. Let's go ahead and start on the home page, and we also need to make sure that we're in administration mode. You can do this by selecting the arrow at the top of the page and then clicking admin. Now click settings, then click user settings, and finally select screen settings. And now you have the option to choose which language you want to operate in. I'm going to click Spanish, and now my I-Gard Command Center is in Spanish. That's all you have to do to change the language on your I-Gard Command Center. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful. As always, feel free to give us a call and one of our technical support engineers will help you out, or visit our website, www.i-gard.com. You can find a ton of great resources there, such as case studies, webinars, manuals, brochures, videos, and more. Again, thanks for watching.